Hey, good morning. Let's have a coffee. Sunday. Good morning, Nata. Hans, good morning. Dumagedon, Nata. How is everyone, huh? Grab a coffee, grab a coffee. Alexandrov, thank you very much. Yeah, let's have a coffee. Sunday. Black one. Yeah, Calma, black one. My first live coffee. Good morning, Luis. Slovenia, good morning. Kenya. Dublin, good morning. Kevin, that's a common mistake. I made a video. It's a common mistake to believe actually, the coils are shorted on the GPU, the MOSFETs are shorted, and I explain why. I don't remember the video, but let me check 1 second. Um, what was the name? Hmm. You know what? I don't remember the video. Hmm. Yeah, I don't remember, but my advice is just join the Discord and share your keys on the laptop repair chat. And I'm pretty sure someone it will advise you. Dumagedon, that's nice. Good morning. Where can I order SMD parts to come in Europe? ASICs, not sure what SMD parts do you mean. I mean, if you need parts for repairs, you can, just get like spare boards and take the parts from there. But if you are like a builder, like a, DIY guy, you can find like websites like Mauser, yeah. I don't even know where is the Mauser company because I have to pay for FedEx and it's taking like 2 days. DigiKey, Mauser, yeah, Mihai, yes. Good morning, Natsa. Gustavo, good morning. Buenos dias. Nigeria, good morning. Kevin, that's not short. That's normal. Yeah, just take your mind out from there. It's not short there. Your CPU is normal to have nearly 0 ohms. And because the CPU is connected straight to a bridge of MOSFETs, you will check the MOSFET and you will see, oh, the MOSFET has 0 ohms. But it's not. It's because, of the GPU internal resistance. Moldo, good morning. Natsa, good morning. I have a question. Do you use a fume extractor when soldering? A moderator, let's ban this guy from the chat. Where is the moderators? Diana! Yeah, ban this guy on the chat who asked about the fume extractor. I'm just joking. My moderator is on the other room. I mean, this is one of the pleasure of soldering. I mean, I'm not sure, if you use the other stuff, but rosin? I mean, this is pretty good stuff. You know what I mean? I seen if you check on YouTube, and I didn't know that when I started learning about rosin. And trust me, I did research like down to the chemical formula. I found out actually the people combine rosin with, I believe, with weed, and they are smoking the rosin, which is insane. You can find videos on YouTube, like how was called rosin extraction, something with rosin, and they are combining with weed and they are smoking or pot or whatever. No, I'm just joking. I mean, I'm not sure what should I say about fume extractors. But it's a favorite moment. Oh, I have to solder something. Oh, that's cool. Let's melt some some rosin, just to feel the rosin chant into the room. I mean, I'm not sure how it's now, but on the past, yeah, like going on my shop was a pleasure. Opening the shop and you feel the chant of rosin. You know what I mean? It's like church. Can you answer my questions above? Questions. I added more RAM on the laptop and changed. Just a poor coincidence. Probably have nothing to do with the RAM. No short anywhere. BIOS dead. Either BIOS, either a chipset. Petrov, good morning. What about ESD control? Yeah, what ESD control? What ESD? I made a test in the past. I took two phones and I sparked them with like 20K, 20,000 volts, 20 kilovolts, sorry. Yeah, 20,000 volts. So I sparked them and the phones, they were fine. You know what I mean? Just to prove the point. That was the idea of the video. Okay, let's speak about electrostatic charges. And I sparked them, like sparks on the phone, and has no issue, no problems. You mean about the valves, yeah? Mihai, yeah. That's actually, a few days ago, like same, like you put the bread on the toaster and you toast the bread and you feel that smell of like hot dust, dust. And it was exactly the same smell like on that TVs with valves or tubes. Morning, guys. How much did you charge the customer? The ASUS ZenBook. How much? Why you don't tell us? It's same like you ask me, okay, sorry, how much you earn? This is a question you never ask. Like you ask a lady, what's your age? You can't ask this question. Or what is your weight? You can't ask those kind of questions. You know what I mean? Everyone is different. And if I give you a price, you will get that price as reference. And I don't want to take that price as reference. That price is made on how busy I am. Very busy, the price will be high. If I'm not busy, I will take probably any job. So you cannot take my price as reference. But just for your information, the job was £120. I think. The one which I worked 2 hours was 120. Plus the battery, that was separate. But yeah. Please recommend a cheap thermal camera. I don't know, Ali. Bogdan, Romanians prefer Rosin to keep the vampires away. We are vampires. What do you mean? We are coming from Transylvania. Infrared P2 Pro. You know what? I will share something with you. Yeah. I'm not sure if it's fair to share the picture with you, but I will share it. I have a guy on Discord send me a picture. He bought the P2 Pro and also my camera. And I will share with you, but how can I do it? Okay, let me take a screenshot. Yeah, let me take a screenshot. Screenshot, save. Okay. And I have to add it to OBS. 1 second. Image. Browse. Stand up, scene. 1 second. 1 second. Open. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So check here. He made a test. So the one from the left of the screen is the one I had here, the HDI, and the one from the right is the P2 Pro. So yeah, you can clearly see the difference. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's close, but if you are looking for like the best thing, now that's a different story. Is the opposite? 1 second. 1 second. Give me 1 second. So what do you mean? This one in the right? Yeah, but that to the right is different. The picture is 1 second. The one from the right, the left is P2 Pro. Then I'm sorry, I like more the P2 Pro. What do you mean? So, okay, I didn't know that. Okay, but I don't understand why you said it's not that great, because I do like the contrast of the P2 Pro compared with, you know, this fuzzy, this foggy image from HD H8. Yeah, interesting. But I do have a video review. Maybe it's not as sharp at the right side. Yeah, it's not. I mean, on the left, I can clearly see the chip and the heat around the chip. But this one, I know, maybe it's more sensitive. I don't know. But thank you for letting me know. I didn't know that. I should test again the P2 Pro. Yeah, I should test again. The chat froze on the screen? No. Stefan, good morning. What is the problem? What could be the problem of a power supply outputting 7 volts instead of 12? You have, most likely, let me turn off the heater. You have the TL431, if I remember, yeah? So most of the switching power supply, they have the TL431. And that's the reference. You should replace that one, TL431, or you have some dead capacitor, but probably you check the capacitors. So I will replace the TL431, which is looking like a transistor. You don't know it's a chip, but it's looking like a transistor. Krasimir, I think you asked that on our Discord, right? I've seen your question, and the problem is I don't have an answer. That's the thing. I've seen your question, but I don't have an answer for that one, so not sure. So basically, from the factory, your chipset was not didn't have any heatsink there, but on the laptop, the CPU it's like usually sitting around 100 degrees. So very possible your chipset temperature to be lower compared with the heatsink, which probably it's around 100 degrees. So I'm not sure which is the way to go. Probably like someone said on Discord, just download the HW hardware monitor and check the temperature with solder paste and without solder paste on the chipset. What firmware version is your Miniware? Wait, those have firmware version? You can upgrade them actually? How can I find out? I'm not sure. I don't even know if this has a menu. I know it has a button here, but this is just to change, the way how the screwdriver is working. Oh yeah, if I keep pressed, 1 second. And you can adjust the speed? Oh, that's crazy. I didn't know that. Cool. I will check the menu. Where did you get your large heat pad from? From Amazon. You have a link on the description with Amazon, from the Amazon with whatever I have from Amazon here. Charles, good morning, Sonny. May I send you the MSI Apache Pro? You have to go on the website, yeah? Just open a service request. But before you are opening the service request, if someone else worked before, I'm not, comfortable taking the repair. If the laptop is coming on with no picture, again, I'm not comfortable taking that repair because most likely I cannot fix it. Camille, do you fix headphones? You know what? I mean, what can be wrong on the headphones? The wires or the speakers? And the wires, that's too long. So it's not worth to be. I mean, here in UK, it's not worth to repair because it will take you more than 1 hour to replace that wires from one speaker to the other. And speakers, replacing the speakers, again, you have to have the spares, the speaker spares. The battery is locked because the cell voltage is less than 2 volts. Baskar, sorry. I do have videos. I mean, every video, like literally every video repairing a battery, I'm charging the cells. So it's nothing what I can help you. Just go on YouTube and watch. How do I charge the cells? Because obviously you cannot unlock it if you don't have the cells balanced and charged. Exposure, good morning. Which coffee do you now enjoy? I have the Starbucks light blonde. When is pizza time? Pizza time is when we are fixing something. Now we are having a coffee. Which USB-C is better? You know what? The old one. I swear I will order another one. From a simple reason, yeah? You plug the cable and you plug it into the laptop. I mean, this is fine. Don't get me wrong. It's okay. But you have the cable, you have the meter, then you need another cable from here. It's too messy for something simple like, okay, I just want to plug this and see what is happening. So I will order another one, but I will keep this one because this one is supporting PD 3.1. Yeah, so this one it is going to 3.1. This one is only 3.0, but it's more practical. And you know what? I think this is a little bit slightly more expensive compared with the other one. Why don't you use better solder iron tips? What do you mean, Nico? This is freaking expensive, my solder iron. What do you mean, more expensive? This tip, yeah? This is expensive, man. I mean, I'm not sure what you're saying, but this is Weller, yeah? The brand. And the tip, this one, this is like 15 pounds, like 1.5. You know what I mean? This is not cheap. I mean, not sure what better means for you. That's what I don't understand. What better means? I never go on the soldering iron over 360 degrees, if that's what you mean. I just saw I struggle in a video. No, if I'm struggling, that's mean probably it's a hard job. Otherwise, you mean the video with the big connector, the big metal one? Yeah, that one. Yeah, it was a tricky job. Edgar is coming like that. So the tip you can buy like that. And also I have, no, this is the old one. 1 second, because I have another tip, which I like it. But where is it? Not sure where is it. 1 second. Now, people ask about the soldering tweezer. I mean, I never feel like I want to use the soldering tweezer, and these are Weller, you know, it's not like any soldering tweezer. But, I mean, it's too much work. I have to unplug this, plug this there, to desolder a component, which I can do it in 1 second with the hot air. 3 ohms there was not a bit too low for a CPU. Thank you very much for your donation. Well, looks like it was just fine. 3 ohms. Yeah, you expect 3 ohms from a gaming laptop. But not sure. I mean, the laptop was working fine. I tested. I installed the CPU Z. I stressed the CPU a little bit. Everything is working fine. It may appear like the job is messy due to the rosin amount. Mihai, if I'm using the other stuff, the gel flux, I prefer to clean rosin instead of gel flux. You know, rosin, it will, you know, I will leave the board clean. With the gel one, it's never clean. You said that CMOS is damaged. Did you mean the CPU then? The CMOS. When did I say that? I said the CMOS is damaged. The MOSFET or the DR-MOS. Yesterday, yeah. That's a DR-MOS. A DR-MOS, it's all in one thing. Yeah, you have the MOSFET bridge and you have, apart from the driver inside there. That's a DR-MOS. Hi, Sorinlo from India. Good morning. We had 3 days with 21 degrees here. Like 3 days. Proper nice weather. How do I start diagnosing a laptop with a hot CPU and fan starting but not post? Not sure what hot CPU means. I mean, the CPU is getting hot, the fan starting, but no picture. That's the worst case. I mean, can be a RAM issue. Like when I'm saying RAM issue, I mean RAM socket, and RAM tracks to behind of the CPU. Then you can have like a CPU issue, most likely the CPU, the chipset. Then you have a BIOS. Then you have even the EC chip can give you this kind of fault. F1 Lab, can I come and visit you? Not really worth it. Trust me, it's not worth it. I mean, we are live streaming here. We can speak together, but otherwise, I don't really have time. And I'm living on a small town, not in London, so it's not really worth the hassle. Sorin, any video today? Jerry, I have an embarrassing video. I swear. So the next video, it sucks. I spent like 1 hour going through replacing the BQ chip and wasting time 1 hour to realize it's a shorted MOSFET. And you know what? It's exactly the same MOSFET which was shorted on a job 2 days ago. You remember that, what laptop it was? Lenovo? No. What laptop it was 2 days ago? 1 second. 1 second. Let me see. Home. Lenovo X1 Extreme, no power. You know what I mean? I worked 1 hour. Exactly the same MOSFET was burned on that board. Luis, thank you very much for the gifted. Thank you, Luis. Have you worked on any Lenovo Legion from 2021? Yeah, I do have videos. Thank you for the video. It sucks or not. You know what? I am on a point of my life where the other people's opinions matter less. So I'm okay to upload any failed video because it's something what we can learn from. So I will upload that repair. It is embarrassing, but I will upload it. I need to edit and upload. But it's okay because, you know, even Diana said on some, I think Diana said, it was that video where I did a mistake. You remember the diode. But the thing is, one of the reasons why I'm uploading the video straight away is because I'm doing something wrong, and a lot of people watching the videos and they can tell me, okay, like the one with the diode. So actually I figured it out. I soldered the diode in the wrong place after I read the comments on the chat. So I'm okay. I don't feel bad. I mean, how can I feel bad? Do you think I'm the only one which is doing mistakes? I mean, you know, everyone is doing mistakes, but not everyone. Obviously, it's you know, exposing the mistakes or you know, agree. Okay, I'm doing mistake also. No, everyone is doing mistakes. No. The diode video was funny. It was because I soldered the diode from a place and I soldered a different place. Top chat, sorry. Live chat. I'm really sorry. I don't know which is the difference because I can't see any difference. But yeah. Can you share a video tutorial on how to start the car engine to open the door with your RF tool? SLK. If I will do something like that, basically I'm helping people to steal cars. You want me to be responsible for something like that? I mean, not only it's illegal and I can get my channel banned, but it's no way I will help, you know, build a device to steal cars. It's like, okay, Soren, can you make a video making a bomb? No, I can't. Sergio, finally off live session. Good morning. Grab a coffee. Mati, good morning. Is this stream live on Discord as well? No. You already have a bomb video? It's not, you know what? That video, actually, based on the comments, I upload the video, and the people said, take the video out. It will get banned. You will get banned. Take the video out. And I got scared, and I contact the YouTube, and I ask, I'm uploading a video, but the people said, you know, I can, you know, get banned. Can you check the video? Can you tell me if it's okay if I leave it there? But then I'm going. I went to on eBay, and eBay you can buy them. The things are already made. Yeah, so you have the DIY rocket thingy. So you have the igniters. They are already made. I mean, you can buy them. So it's not like you learn from my video to build an igniter. You can buy them, and are cheaper, like few p. I ignite that. But yeah, I believe sometimes the people overreact. Greetings from Norway. Good morning. From 1 to 10, how difficult is to open a? I didn't. I never opened that one. 13 Pro Max. I don't even take this kind of jobs because I cannot split the board. So if I want to repair that board, I don't have the device to split it, and not sure if it's worth doing it. Deepness full. Thank you very much for your content. Did you incur more DR MOSFET that protect the CPU? Yeah, I said on the video this week on a Dell Alienware, very new laptop. Same, the DR MOSFET, which has it's the same capsule, the same everything, but has slightly different name. It was shorted. I remove it, and I seen the laptop is coming on. Then I replace it. Mihai, good morning. How did you learn to fix or repair electronics? Camille, self-learning, self-educated. Yeah, I start. I love the electronic on like child being like a young child, probably from about 10, probably like 10 years old. I start learning. iCommando. Not sure. To unlock iPhone, you mean the iCloud? I've seen some people on eBay. They are doing iCloud unlock, but I don't know how they are doing it. Looks like they have access on the Apple servers. And Android thingy, yeah. The Android, I know even the shop I worked before, they are doing Google account removal. Peter, how do I fix widescreen on the laptop? Peter, widescreen 99.99999, it is the screen. Yeah, so try with a different screen. Syed Usama. It's hard to make tutorials with the new laptops because they are so different. I mean, even compared to the USB-C, you have different PD controllers. You have a lot of things are different. So you cannot just make a tutorial for all laptops like the new ones, like let's say 3, 4 years old. But just watching the videos because I'm posting if I fix like new laptops, I'm posting them on YouTube. You can learn a lot. How did the fly lessons go? Fine. So my daughter has till now 3 fly lessons, and it's like over 3 hours. And it's going well. I mean, she's kind of stressed because you know she's she told me like she got panicked, and when she's getting panicked, it's like it's freezing, and she's feeling bad for that. But just I explain her uh, everything. It'll come naturally after you got some experience. Chato, I don't really understand what do you want. F1 Lab, you bring me cookies. I'm already fat. You want to bring me more cookies? Nico, the job is fine, yeah, and you can make money. But if you keep your time under control. Erwin, good morning. I mean, you have to. I understand. You know, you have some jobs, you have to work more, but it's all about the time. Yeah, that's how much time you have to put on a job, and that's all. When the time expires, you just stop. You give back the laptop like non-fixed, and that's all. And if you stay efficient, you can make money. You are not fat. You are filled with knowledge. You hear that, Diana, right? Diana, she's saying, I'm fat. Yeah, I will keep in mind that one. Yeah, full of knowledge. Diana is on the chat. Yeah, Diana is on the chat, so you understand. It's not like I'm fat. I have too much knowledge. David, penis. What do you mean penis? Penis. Penis. David, maybe you're on the wrong chat, man. AC detect on the BQ chip. What is the function? I mean, if just think, yeah, how the laptop it will know you plug the charger. How? The laptop doesn't know you plug the charger. You have the main power rail with power from the battery. There is no way the laptop it will know you plug the charger. So yes, so let's change the thermals. Let's change the power. Let's bring up the charging LED. Let's start the charging battery charging power supply. So the laptop doesn't know. That's why the charger plugged in detect. It will detect actually you plug the charger. Pins, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, David. I understand. Greetings from Argentina. Good morning. No, it's okay. You don't have to thank me, David. It's okay. What is the difference between high MOSFET and low MOSFET? It's you have high because it's connected to high to the main power rail, and the bottom one is connected to ground. That one is the low side. HP fan is on a full speed when the computer is off or sleep mode. Elomax, I'm assuming you already tried to reset the BIOS and stuff. But for me, it looks like, IME region problem. And the easiest way to fix the IME region, apart from reading the BIOS and sending the BIOS to someone to do a IME clean, the easiest way is to upgrade it. So you go on the manufacturer website, and hopefully there you have like IME updater. That's how it's called, the ME updater. You run the updater and you update your ME region. But also can be liquid damage and different stuff. Kiwi, yeah, you know, I was impressed about that chip, yeah, because now I'm thinking, okay, that's logical. So in case something wrong happen, and when something wrong happen, it's happening with the high side MOSFET. I mean, why the chip automatically is not detecting that and switching on the low side MOSFET? You switch on the low side MOSFET and the main power rail goes straight to ground. It's not going to the CPU. Why they didn't do it like that from years? I mean, this is such a beautiful way to protect the output. E-tie. If I put a charger with double higher amps than the laptop requires, but voltage is the same, is fine. It's fine and it's better. Yeah. Always use a high amperage power supplies because it will run cold, and you also always have like a reserve of power. Draco, good morning. Yeah, okay. Mihai, battery won't charge when plugged in. I have the video for today. The customer sent me 4 batteries with the laptop, yeah? So the battery from the laptop was the 5th one. So I got the laptop plus 4 batteries. So they replaced the batteries and the laptop was still not charging. And yeah. Can you program the MEC chip? No, I can't. Through the keyboard connector? What do you mean? Gabriel, you can't even program by the SVOD. With the SVOD software. I don't think you can do it with the SVOD. Not sure. You are still doing repairs when you are earning 1,000 from helium mining? Dexter, I unplugged all my stuff years ago. I'm not sure what do you mean with helium mining, but I stopped a while ago. On the Dell Inspiron 7000 computer, why do you need to connect a resistor there? Why can't you connect the contacts of the button directly? David, you cannot attach a link on the... You can't, right? Okay, let me check. Dell 7000. Bypassing the fingerprint reader. Okay, I think I remember the video. So, what's the question? Why do you need to connect a resistor there? A 17.45, 1 second. 17. Okay, when I connect the resistor, okay, because one pin, it was 3.3, and the other pin, it was the hot wire, which is coming from the EC chip. And you need a pull-up resistor. You remember the issue was I didn't have 3.3 on the power button. And obviously, if you don't have 3.3 on the power button, you press it, which you will not switch anything, yeah, because the power button is connected to ground. So when you push the power button, you connect that power rail to ground. In order to be a change from 0 logic to 1 logic, or from 1 logic to 0 logic, that power button rail has to be high. 1 means 3.3. To check the chipset temperature, it's I will check 1 second. HW monitor, HW monitor. That's the name. HW monitor, yeah. That's the program. Have you used Windows 11? I think Diana, she used Windows 11. My son has Windows 11, but no, I'm happy with Windows 10. But don't. Morning, sorry, I'm late. It's okay. You told me the PDE chip is CID. You won't be able to fix it. No, I do have CID here, and it's not working. I replaced it. I replaced it, and it's not working. I believe the chip has to be programmed. CID, CYD, CYD. Yeah, David. The EC chip is not outputting 3.3. Yeah. The 3.3 is coming from a pull-up resistor. Yeah, so you have the pin from the EC chip and you connect a resistor to plus. From there is coming 3.3, not from the EC chip. The EC chip is just reading that you have. It's just reading that track. That's all. It's not outputting any voltage. I mean, I can throw away the Zen book. You know what, Bogdan? When I check on Google, because you have to check on Google, I see some people saying they managed to somehow to program the CID chip with a custom program, but I don't know. I seen somewhere on the Bad Caps forum, I believe. Just check on Google. Maybe you'll find something. Please explain Type-C connector, power connector solution of power issues. Olu, not sure what solution it is. Just you have to fix it. You have plus, minus, and then you have the pins for for the laptop to speak with the charger. Where can I catch your work? Remember the guy who gave me that a lot of laptops? We done like 3 days live streams. Yeah, he brought more laptops. So we have to do like a live stream with repairing those motherboards. Made a podcast series with the other repair channels. With who? It will be fun, yeah. With who? I can ask Norwich, but probably he will charge me a fee for that. Probably a diagnostic fee. Not sure, it's fun, but I mean, I'm not close to anyone. I do speak with Paul Daniel on Discord, but not sure. Please tell me why should I use a linear power supply instead of a switching one? I can't answer on this question because it seems like, okay, why do you like that car and you don't like the other car? It's, I don't know, it's a matter of preference. I prefer analog the linear power supply because of the switching, yeah, of the relays. Yeah, so always I'm working and I hear the relay, and you hear the relay. Wait, that was a click. Click means something took power over what I set up on the power supply, and it's an alarm sign. Yeah, I think something goes wrong. I mean, either I did something wrong setting up a low current limit, or something is wrong here, and it's taking more power than it's supposed to take. Like you are speaking with the chat, is just acting. Not sure what do you mean. I'm not acting, deepnessful. I do have live repair videos, if that's what you mean. When actually I ask on the video, you mean? Because yeah, sometimes I put on my mind of the people watching. So like, what do you think? I shall do that. It's like speaking with myself. Dual personality, right? When you say ask in the videos, dual personality developing a third. When it's about multi-personality, I can get even close to Diana. You know, she's like everyday different person. I like to watch all kind of repair channels, not just electronic. What is your favorite YouTube channel? You know, I have a Russian guy. I do like his channel. I watch a lot of his videos. One second, let me see. Garage 50 something. Let me check. Garage 54. Yeah, that guy is making like crazy experiments with. Probably he has a bunch of free time and resources, but I really enjoy his videos. Garage 54. Yeah. Oh my god, I love 54. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I know. The guy is, like that kind of, crazy Russian guy. uh, then I'm watching Viva la Dirt League, proper nice channel. Then a lot of people, fixing stuff. I have a guy here. I love this guy, Curtis Judd. I mean, this guy is a pro. You'll not see that many pro people on audio, but this guy is a pro. Lola, I like Lola. Hmm? You know Lola? It's fantastic, like playing piano. Tom Atos is a guy which I love it. Like the guy is like a proper pro on cinematography. Really love it. I mean, I know those channels for a long time. You know what I mean? Cole, this guy, it's a master on video editing. John, yeah, I follow John and Casey like vloggers from years. But yeah, There are a lot of good channels out there, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, you know what? It's over 1 hour, 1 hour and 1 minute. I'm gonna stop now. I had my coffee. Hopefully, everyone finished the coffee. Andrei Nata. I will say thank you for watching. Yeah. Just have a beautiful Sunday. No, I will not have a barbecue today. So it was like 3 days with 21 degrees here in England. And I had barbecue every day, every single day. 3 days barbecue. So no barbecue. I'm like, okay, I'm okay. No barbecue for a while. Erwin, still waiting for your answer. 1 second. I'm using a power supply without protection. No protection. Yes, protection means I do have a video. Protection means you short the probes and everything goes to zero, like the current, the voltage, everything goes to zero. By my one, if I short the probes, the current is going up, like based on how much I set up. It's not going off. I mean, that's the idea. Otherwise, you cannot push current onto the short circuits if you have like a short circuit protection. Okay, fantastic. Have a beautiful Sunday, and next have a beautiful week. And I will upload today later on that video, that embarrassing video. I will say, thank you for being here and having a coffee with me. And see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.